In today's module, we are going to learn about different perspectives of globalization. There are five major perspectives through which history of globalization can be traced or analyzed. Number one, this is how hardwired globalization, that the phase of globalization that is known as hardwired, in which they see that it shapes of different desires of human beings for a better quality of life. It claims that commerce, religion, politics, and warfare have contributed to fuel the process of globalization. If I would like to say all these things in one word, that what instigated or what intrigued the concept of globalization, it would maybe commercialization. If you could see that commerce is a commercial process, even there is a commercialization of religion is going on, politics is commercial, and warfare, you know that it is an industry in the contemporary world. According to the second perspective, globalization is a long-term cyclic process. There have been other global ages likewise. Today is global age, and the present age will also be replaced with future. Globalization is just like a series of waves, and each wave has its own distinct origination. The fourth perspective reinforces the notion of multiple points of origin. Moreover, the origination is embedded in the influential historical events. A fifth view debates on recent changes in the contemporary world. Let's see in detail about these different perspectives. Hardwired. Likewise, the philosophy of utilitarianism, an instinctive human nature to increase pleasure and foster utility. There has been desire to improve the quality of life and have a better lifestyle. Always human beings are thinking that there should be more and more prospects, better prospects of life, and they are always looking for better opportunity of life, and they usually migrate from one place to another place just for looking better opportunities of life. The urge for a better life globalized all the social institutions, including religion, politics, economy, and military institutions. This is what I earlier mentioned. He is saying that it is globalized. What I believe, that it is owing to the commercial activity that all have been globalized. Cycles. The second perspective views globalization as a long-term cyclic process. Unlike hardwired notion, this perspective believes that globalization is a cyclic process, and no cycle has any particular origin of point, nor it is backed by different phases. It goes parallel to hardwired perspective, and historically there were other global ages. The present global age is similar to a previous global ages, as globalization is a cyclic process. A future cycle will replace the present global age. Now, you see that here is the different perspectives of globalization, and you would find different phases, and this clip is giving a very detailed answer of all that. Eurasian phase है, फिर Afro-Eurasian phase है, Oriental phase 1, Oriental phase 2, multi-Atlantic phase, and then Euro-Atlantic phase, and then 20C phase, and then 21st century phase. 20th century phase and then 21st century phase. So if we see that early 3000 BCE, if there was agriculture revolution, in the Eurasian phase. There was no revolution in the Afro-Eurasian and Oriental phase, but there was Oriental phase too. We would see that 1100 CE, that is increased productivity. Again, in early 1500 century, there was nothing like that. And then early 1800 CE, it is industrialization was going on in Euro-Atlantic phase. And then there was emergence of multinational corporation in the 12th century phase. And then there was rebalancing the power in the 2000, or you may say in the 21st century. This is how this slide is giving us a detailed perspectives of globalization.